In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to set up a board with Backlog, Todo, and finished lists. First, go to Atlassian and make sure you're already logged into your account. This is important because Trello boards are created inside your workspace, so being signed in first helps everything load properly and saves time. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. This is the main shortcut for starting something new in Trello, whether that's a board, card, or other workspace item. From the menu that appears, choose Create Board. That will open the board setup window where you can start building your workflow. Now enter a name for your board. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to use Trello for multiple projects. A simple descriptive title works best so you can find it quickly later. After you've typed in the board name, click Create. Trello will generate a new blank board for you. At this point, your board exists, but it still needs structure. To organize it, click Add List. This is how you create the columns that will hold your tasks. In the first list, type Backlog, then press Enter. The backlog list is useful for ideas, requests, or tasks you want to capture now and sort through later. Next, type To-Do and press Enter. This list is where you place the tasks that are ready to be worked on. It becomes your active queue, so anything in this column should be something you plan to tackle soon. Then type Finished and press Enter. This list is for completed work. Moving cards here gives you a simple visual record of progress and makes it easy to see what's already been done. And that's it! You now have a Trello board set up with 3 simple lists: Backlog, To-Do, and Finished. This setup gives you a clean, practical workflow for tracking ideas, current tasks, and completed work all in one place. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, this structure works especially well because it keeps things simple. Backlog helps prevent loose ideas from getting lost. To-Do keeps your priorities visible, and Finished gives you a satisfying way to track progress. If you want to stay organized, try adding cards into each list right away so your board is ready to use immediately. Congratulations! Your Trello board is now ready to go.